Hi, I'm Brett. Today we're going to be showing you a video on how to pack and maximize your shipping container when it's either at your collection event or at your permanent drop-off site. We're going to be talking about a few different items, covering what types of material go into the bin, what cannot go into the bin, and how to pack your bin. When loading unwanted electronics inside of a Greentec container during an event or at a drop-off location, we recommend that you wear the proper personal protective equipment, also known as PPE. This does include the following: a hard hat, safety goggles, when possible a long sleeve shirt, safety vest if in an area with motorized vehicles, gloves, steel-toe boots, and when possible, long pants. When hosting a collection event or a container program, you want to ensure the right materials come through. Some forms of acceptable material are cell phones, print cartridges, digital cameras, iPods and MP3 players, desktop and laptop PCs, monitors and televisions, computer peripherals, printers, scanners, copiers, VCR, DVD, Blu-ray players, radios, stereos, speakers, and more. We recommend that you remove sensitive data before depositing your electronics. Some items that may come through that you want to avoid accepting are propane tanks, weed eaters, motors, lawnmowers, and other types of non-electronic equipment. Before you begin to stack your bin, you want to ensure that you are wearing your PPE gear. After that, you want to stage your items according to their size, starting from small to medium to large items. By staging, this will allow you to pack your bin efficiently and maximize the space that you have available. When lifting large items, you want to ensure that you use the proper lifting techniques to prevent back injuries. Start by testing the load to get an indication as to how heavy the object is. Stand close to the load with your feet spread apart about shoulder width, with one foot slightly in front of the other for balance. Squat down, bending at the knees, not at your waist. Keep your back straight. Begin slowly lifting with your legs by straightening them. Never twist your body during this step. Once the lift is complete, keep the load close to your body to prevent straining the lower back. If you need to turn while carrying the load, turn using your feet, not your torso. When stacking your container, start at the back and work towards the front. Place the larger items such as televisions and monitors on the bottom to create a strong base. You will then stack the small items on top towards the ceiling of the container. When you come across a large object to lift, such as this television, it's always encouraged to have another team member come in to do a lift together. Here's the way of how it's done. When you've done a good job, this is what your wall should look like, going from large to medium to small. If you find that your material looks like it's going to fall, let it fall, do not catch it. Also look for any gaps to maximize your space by putting this item, such as a phone, into a smaller gap where you can still maximize your space. By doing this, you've covered every available area in the bin. We want to do some helpful review tips for you today. 1, before you begin stacking your material or staging your material, you want to ensure that you're wearing your following PPE gear, such as your hard hat, your safety goggles, your safety vest, a long sleeve shirt, if possible, long sleeve pants, and steel toe boots. Next, you want to remember to stage your material going from large, small, and medium devices. Second, you also want to ensure that you do not accept certain materials in if you can help it. And last but not least, once your container is full, call Greentec for a pickup.